Hey guys, this is Maria from TreeSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make a duet video on TikTok. TikTok Duets feature lets users create a response or reaction video content featuring an initial video and upload both videos that appear side by side on a screen. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can create a duet video. Log into TikTok and go to the Home tab. Now look for the video that you would like to duet. Press on the share icon on the right. Find the duet option at the bottom and click on it. Once the camera window opens, record your video. You can edit the video by writing something, inserting stickers, using effects or filters if you want. When the video is ready, hit the next button. The only thing left to do is to upload the video, so simply tap the post button. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make a duet video on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.